What's top of mind at Michigan Medicine these days? What is like front and center for you guys?
I think we talked about probably the number one thing that's both new and front and center. It's all things, how do we support flexible, hybrid, remote, whatever term you want to use for it. My peers and I, everything from what kind of scheduling system you'll be using to policies that are in place or being changed to what's your best guess of your workforce, who will be working, to recruiting, retaining, all of those things are front and center, not only in IT, but really throughout the health system and the university. So, at least for us being at the University of Michigan, all those things play pretty heavily. But from that, a few things are also gaining some momentum. The one that I'm most interested in dealing with, which is a massive project or series of projects, and it's almost difficult to put it into words, but I'll try, is something like this: creating the framework for moving workflows, infrastructure to cloud solutions, to a variety of as a service, software infrastructure platform, and how to create that framework with also thinking about your application, we'll call it application modernization, and how that relates to cybersecurity, to business continuity, and frankly, even some overall principles of how one will engage with cloud. I'll call it cloud for now. I think most of your viewers and listeners, we understand what we mean by the complexity of that term, the cloud. So all those things are wrapped together. And for us, one of the instigators of this is we have to update or replace our secondary data center. And immediately, as you start getting into that discussion, there are a lot of circular items that I've had to deal with. So I'm trying to figure out how to tackle all of that and not just move to the cloud or what Epic Hosted is going to look like. Because we do have investments in data centers that still are financially high value for us, as opposed to perhaps others who've had, leased data centers where it just makes sense that you have to go to someone else. So that's probably among the biggest things that I have to deal with. And that's going to be I don't know, 10-year project.